Hey, this is Arlene. It's July the 12th, 2020. Someone's out in the hallway and they've been out there for a while. I'm thinking it's 2:05 because she was out there um, when I went for my evening walk. But whoever's out there has been out there for a while. And if those are security cameras above the doorway entrance at the threshold, then it would show who it is. Because whoever it is making noise.